Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So before we get into the video, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. I always know you might see baby girl pop up. You might hear in the background. So if you ain't cool with that, this might not be the channel for you. So let's go ahead and get into the video, guys. You already know I like to hold you. So basically, we have something big approaching. We got something big brewing, guys. And I'm going to share in this video exactly. Say hey, mama. Hey. Okay, let's get on this news, baby. Let's drop it. Let's drop it. So anyways, guys, I'm going to share with you guys, in my opinion, why I believe this can be big for the situation. I know you guys tired of hearing great news, this, that, and the third, all this stuff steady happening, but nothing happens with the share price. And we know that, guys. But right now, if you can't tell, because I definitely could tell, lately, the past week or two, we have been seeing a difference in the price action. We done ran up, got over that offense defense barrier, ran up to that $33, $34 territory, blasted straight to 23. I expected us to run straight up to the low 20s, the high 20s and the low 30s, but I knew we could do that, but during that move, I knew we were so manipulated that I expected them to drag the price action, run us up to around 25, 26, and slowly get up to the price that we supposed to be at. But it happened in the instant, just as it should have. So I actually am seeing a slightly difference in change. I know we seen that big dip from 33 back to 23, but that was expected. If you was following the channel, you would have been well up, alerted, up on game on that, and knew that was able to happen due to all the demand, all the hype, the psychological aspects of the market. That was easily to happen with everybody rushing in last minute, waiting for that break above 23 just to get the signal to get in, just for a piggyback to get in and get out. So the market isn't made to just, make easy money. If that's the case, everybody would be doing it. So anyways, guys, I'm going to break it down, share with you guys. I know a lot of viewers are aware by now. GME is planning to do a stock split. A lot of people say, that was the cost of, the price action going into after hours, which it did have. It did play a role. It did play a role in the part of the price action that we seen, but it also was due to regular price action. We already anticipated after coming down to that support level like we did, that a demand was going to come in and we was going to see that reversal. The reversal was already happening during intraday trading, but it didn't hold. It didn't happen again after hours. So either or, guys, it still happened how we expect it to happen. Just as we have news come in and sabotage our day and bring us down, I guess this news did play a bit kind of in my favor and help the prediction fulfill itself. So anyways, guys, this stock split. So what is a stock split exactly, Hayes? Is this going to help us or hurt us? How the case, however it's going to be. So you got something you want to say, mama, before I tell them this? Say hey. Hey. Okay. So a stock split, guys, is whenever a company increase the number of shares in a company. Meaning, for a quick example, if I got $1 and I want to split it in, in quarters, that'd be one for four stock split. So that means I will give you 4 quarters for your $1. And that now you still got the same amount of value, but you just got to split up. Same thing, 10 dimes for your $1. You got multiple coins to work with, but it's still the same value as that $1. And after or during the stock split, the price can change suddenly and very rapidly. So of course, that could be slightly different due to the volatility whenever this is happening. But this is a very good aspect, and we want them to be doing this instead of reverse stock split. A stock split is very good because that means the company is doing well for themselves, and they basically is trying to do a psychology tactic. That's why I say psychological aspects play a huge role in price action into the market, because this is where the psychology kick in. A lot of newbies that's involved in the market with the retail investors that's coming in from this mania, from this wave. That's why the CEOs is doing it. They know it's going to help benefit the squeeze, even though they ain't doing it intentionally. Companies can do this. They does it all the time. So it's not any kind of illegal tactic. So what they do is, it's going to be a very, very attractive price whenever they do a stock split. Meaning that the price is $200 now. Whenever they do a stock split, say if they do a 4-for-1, and they split the stock price for $25, but give whoever holding 1 share, give you 4 shares. Now the stock price is showing to be 25. Most people that don't know anything I think GME done failed to $25, and that's a huge discount for them. Or even if they don't think that, they'll still, it'd be so attractive, like 25 for GME, or if it do a stock split even greater than that, and it's at $10 or $12, they going to rush in and buy very, very quickly, because then it's just the psychological aspects of it. They like, well, I know it could rise up from here if it done did what it already did, and that will cause more people to buy into it, guys. So a reverse stock split, on the other hand, is not so good. Whenever you see that, that means the company is in disgrace. That means they're not doing so good. That means they want to do the opposite of make people, you know, they want to do the opposite. They want to make their price look higher instead of lower. You get what I'm saying? They want to give you, reduce the amount of shares that's in circulation, and then they want to reduce the amount of shares, and they want to then, hold on, baby. They want to reduce the amount of shares, guys, and make their price seem higher. So if their price is at $10, and they'll try to, you know, do a reverse stock split and make their price appear to be a 10 for 1, and make their price appear to be $100 a share. And that way people think it went from 10 to 100 and be like, dang, I better get in. It's about to continue to go higher. And the same thing, guys. So psychological plays a huge role. And what I mean by this is going to be something big is because once they do it, it's going to cause a whole new wave of investors to come in, a whole new crowd. And with that, with helping GME, it's going to also help AMC. So this is a win-win situation for us, guys, in my opinion. So, you know, go GME for that. You already know that's all I got for this video. Just want to give y'all a quick update. Sorry if baby girl, you know, if y'all, you know, it's whatever. I got to do what I got to do. I got to take care of mine, guys. Daddy, you feel me? I'm here. I'm here with mine each and every day, every single day. That's why I choose to be an entrepreneur. That's why I choose to work for myself, to make my own schedule, to do whatever I choose, so I can, you know, spend all these precious years, these golden years with her. And also, y'all don't know it or not, but you feel me? Like, this is just, I talked about this on my channel when I first started, not to go off topic, but just putting this type of, I was already reading to her when she was in the Billy and stuff, and then just speaking this type of talk around her, already talking stocks, you know, just basically putting this. I know she's subconsciously hearing everything I'm talking about in this video, and it's all going to just put her way ahead of her time early on, guys. So you already know, if you got kids out there or whatnot, that's just, you know, free game. Make sure you know, reading high level books with them, and not just kiddie books, of course, them. But even though you probably don't think they can comprehend or understand, just by them hearing those bigger phrases and those newer, you know, this different terminology and lingo, she'll already be familiar with it, or your kids, or they already be familiar with it whenever they get up and, you know, as they get older and able to actually understand it even better, they already be ahead of the game. But not to talk y'all head off, y'all already know your boy B Hayes, man. Add me over on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless y'all. We gone. Say we gone.